Hey there, Haley Schulteis, nurse practitioner with Brio Med Spa and Wellness here, taking a quick moment out of this Thursday to do a short educational video, which is something we're going to try to do on a more weekly basis here. But for starters, today I want to talk about what makes me different as a provider, because one of the things I've noticed is a lot of times when patients come in for their consult, they're really apprehensive. The typical patient who lands in my lab is oftentimes someone who's been to 3, 4, sometimes 5 providers, and they've complained of debilitating symptoms, and they're always told their labs are normal. So I want to talk about what that means and how that makes me different. And for starters, I'm not normalizing anyone's labs. Rather, I'm about lab optimization here. So I want to talk about that. And this is where I get to draw pictures, so it's going to be fun. So if you were a teacher at all, or you remember from school, you may be familiar with the fact that this is a bell curve. Yeah, okay, Haley, why are we talking about a bell curve? So if we're talking about labs, let's talk about vitamin D to begin with. So on a vitamin D level, the lab reference range of normal is 30 to 100. That's a pretty big range. So if we're looking at a bell curve, anybody whose lab is 30 would be over here, whereas 100 is over here, and then the vast majority of people lie somewhere here in the middle. The majority of people are with the bell. So what does that even mean? Well, if you are someone who comes to me and you say, Haley, I'm tired all the time, I can't sleep, I have poor moods, poor energy, I'm sick all the time, I have all these gastrointestinal symptoms, I'm thinking, maybe we should check a vitamin D level. So I check a vitamin D level and your lab comes back and says, you're 32. Mainstream medicine says, hey, congratulations, your labs look great, you're normal, and then you just go about your life. Sometimes you're given an antidepressant, sometimes you're not even given that. So, according to the lab reference range, 32 is certainly normal. However, to me, that puts you over here on the bell curve. And if you are my patient and you have a symptom, I am not happy until I have you over here. And at Brio Med Spa and Wellness, we will not stop until we get you there, because that's how we get you well. Again, I hope you enjoyed this short educational video today. I'm going to try to do these a little bit more, hopefully weekly. So if there's certain topics that you want to see, or if there's any questions that you have, put them in the comments, shoot us a message, and we'll try to talk about more of what you want to hear about. In the meantime, if you have a more pressing question, please remember the best way to get in touch with us is going to be via your patient portal, or give us a call here at the office, and we'd be glad to help you. Bye now.